Pip installs packages successfully, but executables not found from command line. I am working on macOS X Yosemite, version 10.10.3. I installed Python 2.7 and pip using macport as done in this URL. I can successfully install packages and import them inside my Python environment and Python scripts. However, any executable associated with a package that can be called from the command line in the terminal are not found. Does anyone know what might be wrong? More details below. For example, while installing a package called rosedeep as instructed in this URL, I can run sudo pip install rosedeep, which installs without errors, and corresponding files are located in .framework/versions/2.7/lib/python 2.7/site packages. However, if I try to run sudo rosedeep init, it gives an error, sudo column rosedeep column command not found. This is not a package-specific error. I get this for any package installed using pip on my computer. I even tried adding to my $path. But the executables are not found on the command line, even though the packages work perfectly from within Python.
Check your $path. Tox has a command line mode. Where is it? Edit. The 2.7 stuff doesn't matter much here. Sub and any 3.x and pip's behaving pretty much the same way. And what's in my $path? Notice though, that's what allows finding my pip installed stuff. Now, to see where things are from Python, try doing this. Substitute rosedeep for tox. That prints out. Now, cd to the directory right above lib in the above. Do you see a bin directory? Do you see rosedeep in that bin? If so, try adding the bin to your $path. Output.
I know the question asks about macOS, but here is a solution for Linux users who arrive here via Google. I was having the issue described in this question, having installed the PDFX package via pip. When I ran it, however, nothing yet. The problem on Linux is that pip install drops scripts into .local/bin, and this is not on the default Debian/Ubuntu $path. Here's a GitHub issue going into more detail, this URL. To fix, just add .local/bin to your $path, for example by adding the following line to your .bash file. After that, restart your shell and things should work as expected.
Solution. Based on other answers, for Linux and Mac you can run the following. Instead of Python 3 you can use any other link to Python version, Python, Python 2.7, Python 3.6, Python 3.9, etc. Instead of bash, choose the RC file from your favorite shell. Explanation. In order to know where the user packages are installed in the current OS, Win, Mac, Linux we run, we know that the scripts go to the bin/folder where the packages are installed. So we concatenate the paths. Then we export that to an environment variable. Finally, in order to avoid repeating the export command, we add it to our .bash file and we run source to run the new changes, giving us the suggested solution mentioned at the beginning.
On macOS with a default Python installation, you need to add .7/bin/ to your $path. Add this to your bash_profile. That's where pip installs the executables. Tip: for non-default Python version, which Python to find the location of your Python installation and replace that portion in the path above. Thanks for the hint, Sonkit_dwale.
If you want the podcast, yes,